Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Mystery methods in Java can be tricky, but we can solve this array problem fast. Let's trace the loop and find the final values together.
First, we identify that the call mystery 3 sets our variable x to 3. The loop starts at index 1 and increments by 3 each time, targeting specific spots and numbers. That means we only update indices 1, 4, and 7. At index 1, we take the previous value 17 and add 3 to get 20. The other elements stay exactly the same. Next, at index 4, we add 3 to 42 to get 45. Finally, at index 7, 48 plus 3 gives us 51. We are done. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing. Trust the code and check your steps for option A.